on YouTube? It's boy Cinch bringing you another video. Right now we're with my truck BLAXX here, and I got Tristan to the camera. What's going on, Tristan?
What's up? I'm not good at these. I'm gonna shut the fuck up now.
So yeah, the point of this video today is, you guys remember my last couple vlogs saying I got a package, or if you know, I was waiting for a package, don't know if I'm gonna get it. So I actually put a picture on my Instagram. Damn, the sun is bright as fuck, but I don't give a fuck. Got a package here. Finally got what I needed, so it's actually gonna be for the antenna. So I'm gonna fix that right now. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this antenna, and then after I'm gonna unbox this one for you guys real quick. So stay tuned. So we're now gonna take off this one. Got it. Alright. Fuck. This is a long piece of. See, I don't like this shit. Why don't I like this? Because next time I go into like a car wash or in like park by my house or driving near a road, this is all whacking trees and it annoys me. So I'm gonna throw that there.
You know what you can do? When you get kids one of these days, you can keep them whoop their asses with it.
It's true, but you know, we don't be kids here. Not in this country. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this thing. This new antenna I got. It's a Ronin Factory, which I actually ordered back in April, literally a month ago. I got it yesterday. Oh, got it Friday, but I didn't check the mail till yesterday, and I saw it, I'm like, oh fuck. Alright, can't wait. So now I'm gonna unbox it for you guys real quick. There. Alrighty, so first things first. Product, whatever that is, don't need that. And that's it. Alright, cool. So here's the packaging it comes in. It's a Ronin, again, it's a Ronin Factory bullet antenna. It's a 50 cal bullet. So imagine the size of that already. So let's open it here. I'll fly away and throw stuff in here. Alright, so first thing comes inside of it. There's actually a lot of things in here. So one being okay, if something's wrong, get a contact number, so that's pretty good. Don't need that right now. Got a couple of decals. That's what's up. I'm gonna throw some more in my truck, put in my pocket, because I know keep going back and forth. Even more decals. Oh, I'm getting a lot of decals today. All right. All right, here we go. So now we're into the most important part. So they actually gave us a couple screws, because who knows if it might not fit or not. Because again, this is the American brand and we're in Canada. So I don't know how their trucks are different. I don't know. Get that business. So I'm gonna open this now. Ooh, it's like clean as fuck.
That's actually pretty dope.
Yo.
That's actually pretty sick.
All right, so that is literally a 50 cal bullet. Like that's a. Yo, this would be people I'd be smacking with in Call of Duty and shit, and then Ghost Recon. All right, so it's gonna be pretty. I think it's gonna be a very easy installation because now it's gonna figure out which one goes in here because I don't think I'm using both of them. So I'm just gonna figure out real quick which one it will be. Here. Nope, that one's too small. I think I use both of them. I don't know. Should I use both of them? I really don't know. We're gonna figure this out. Let's try it. See here. And you got one inside here. So to let you know, be careful when you're doing it. The red or yellow will actually mark off on your fingers. So I didn't bring gloves, so make sure you wear gloves when you're doing this. So put the other one back in here so I don't lose it. Because who knows when I might need it. If I'll ever need it, actually. So now, this is actually really clean. Alright, let's see now. And you know what? I wanted the logo to show. I'm that guy right now.
He's that guy, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep. Want something to show it off? I'm gonna show it off. What you mean? So you know, if you guys hear music, it's not my music, so please don't copyright me. I beg of you. No, keep messing it up. That tunes are catching me off guard. Alright, you know what? We start you facing this way. So remember, guys, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I still don't know.
You know what? I think it's just gonna be that way for now. Fuck it. Again, not my music. Alright, so that's the bullet right there. I actually like that. So again, it's a pretty easy installation. When you're actually doing it, unscrewing off the original antenna, make sure you actually have a wrench. You really need is 10 millimeters, just because all really taking, you'll know when you get it. But what else is in here? Yeah, more stuff about the Instagram. So actually, you know, if you guys want to follow more of the stuff, or actually I purchased on Amazon, but again, you want to check them out. It's, again, they're Ronin Factory, so RONIN, then Factory. But yeah, so what I'm actually do is I'm actually hop in the truck, start it up, and see how the connection is on the radio is. So if you guys come on with me, I'll show you. Second. Alright, still good. Yeah. Let me turn it down now. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this quick little installation of the video. Again, wasn't expecting a big video for this, but because again, this is like Graham. Why? Like no one needs a giant wand. Saying how Harry Potter. But yeah. So that being said, guys, that's when I wrap the video up here. If you guys have more questions, I will put the product in the description so you guys can find it yourself and watch your own reviews if you guys like it or not. If not, it's up to you. But if you guys have more questions, no, not questions, sorry. If you guys want to see more videos or more installations, again, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe, and whatnot. And also, if you guys do subscribe, make sure you guys hit that bell to get more notified when I actually upload another video. That being said, enjoy and take it easy.